Welcome to line dancing at the Sumter Family YMCA. My name is Liz Mitchell. I'm your instructor. Now we're about to learn boots on the ground. It is a line dance that's taken over the world. So if you haven't had a chance to learn it, here is your chance, okay? You can come and learn it in person in class. We will be doing boots on the ground for the next 3 weeks. And so it's now August 8th of 2025. So depending on when you're watching this, all right, you might have missed your chance, but that's why we're recording it, all right? So we're gonna break down the steps. We'll probably do it with the music a few times, just so you can get it. Boots on the ground does have a few steps. So we'll go over it a few times and help you get it, all right? So the first steps with boots on the ground, you're gonna start right, left, right, right, okay? Again, right, left, right, right. Let's do that 2 more times, okay? Right, left, right, right. Right, left, right, right, okay? Your next step is just to switch it around. So we're gonna go left, right, left, left. Okay, again, left, right, left, left. 1 more time. Left, right, left, left. So let's put them together, okay? So from the top, you're going to go right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? Let's do that 1 more time, and then we're gonna move on, okay? So you got right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. From here, your weight is in that left foot. Your right leg goes forward, side, and then back at an angle, okay? Again, forward, side, back. Again, forward, side, back. 1 more time. Forward, side, back. Good. Let's put it together, okay? So from the top, you have right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, forward, side, back. Okay? 1 more time. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, forward, side, back, out. Okay? So we're gonna bring that foot right back out. All right? So we go forward, side, back. You bring it back out. We're gonna shift. You're not shifting your weight so much. Stepping back out, and then you're going to cross. Okay? Forward, side, back, out, cross. Okay? For those that I know I have some people who are like, what's next? Right? And it kind of helps them get what we just did. So if you want to see it all the way through, I'm going to break these steps down as well. But just for those of you who learned that way, you have forward, side, back, out, cross, step, cross, step. Okay? So 2 cross steps. So let's go back to the top, and we're going to go all the way to that first cross. Okay? And then if you want to finish it stepping out, be my guest. All right? So from the top, you have right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, forward, side, back, out, cross. 1 more time. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, forward, side, back, out, cross. Okay? Let's go ahead and add the steps. Let's start from forward, side, back, out, cross, step, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, side, back, out, step, okay? I'm doing my dancer thing with the pointed toe, all right? It doesn't have to look as crisp as I probably look, all right? Let's put that all together, and then we're gonna move on, okay? So from the top, you have right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, forward, side, back, out, cross, step. You got it? You got it. If you don't, pause this video, do it a few times, rewind me, do whatever you need to do, okay, before we move forward, okay? So we have cross, step, okay? From here, this is the fun part, okay? This is the part that most people came to me and were like, how do I do those turns? I'm about to tell you, okay? So, right foot is out, it's prepped, it's ready to go. You're gonna step forward, put that weight in that right foot, okay? And then you've got a 1, 2, 3, you got a quarter turn, okay? So you're gonna step, put that weight in that right foot, then you're stepping back, 1, 2, 3, okay? I'm gonna break it down one more time. Stepping right, shifting my weight. I can even pick my back foot up, okay? I'm gonna shift my weight back, 1, 2, 3. I'm now faced to the right, okay? So you're doing a quarter turn. This is important. Why? Because I'm about to do a full turn. So a full turn, if I am faced this way, I need to end up where? Behind me, all right? So the first turn is a quarter turn. My left foot is prepped. I'm going to then step with my left, and I'm turning all the way around, okay? So, take a deep breath. It's okay. I want you to think quarter full. Step right. 1, 2, 3. Step left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Really have some momentum here. Okay? So stepping right. 1, 2, 3. Step left. You see, I'm shifting my weight forward in my left. My right foot is ready to go. I've come back. I'm turning. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? In a fluid dance rhythm, it looks like this. At the top, you have a count of 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole reason why, right? We're here, right? For that fan and that hip flip. All right? It's got to get in there. All right? So you turn. Let's start from forward right. Forward right, quarter, boom, boom, boom. Left, boom, boom, boom. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So right, left. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. My right foot is going to come out. I'm going to put my fan in the air. And when you don't have a fan, I just put 4 fingers because it kind of looks like a fan. You could just do your whole hand. You could wave. Whatever you want to do. Okay? And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yee-haw. From the front. Starting with that right foot, cha-cha-cha, into that quarter turn. Okay? Right. Left full. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Boom, 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 or 1, 2, 3, 4. However you learn. Okay? So let's start from forward, side, back, and put it all together. Okay? So we have forward, side, back, out, cross, step, forward, right, quarter, chop, 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 left, full. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go back to the top. Okay? So let's put it to the music. All right? All the way through. We'll do what you need to do. Okay? So rewind, pause, whatever you need to do to get these steps. I hope I've done a good job breaking it down for you. Now we're going to put it to the music. Okay? Here we go. Have fun. Get your fans.
You ready?